is security. I will show you security very easy way. Okay. So this is my F drive. So look at this F drive. On F drive, I have a file. Okay. For example, same file only. NN. File name is NN. I want to put some data inside. Okay. So this is N file. Okay. And what I'm doing is student2 can read file and cannot write. Okay, cannot write in this file. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do is, so I'm the owner of the file. I'm the owner of the file. So I'm a currently student1. So what I'm trying to do is how to give some permission, access permissions. Look at here, guys, how to do it. Right click, properties. Guys, carefully you have to look at, because I will show you all options and cancel everything. I will ask you how to do it. You have to tell me, then only I will do it. Even if it is a time ups, no problem for me. Okay, so this is properties. Look at, you are in that particular file properties only. Sometimes people will do, they put a right click and properties kind of stuff. So now what happened? I done same thing, but these properties are belongs to F drive. Without thinking anything, they do modify something from here, and they will get a problems. Okay, so compulsory click on the file, right click on the file, properties, and look at, are you open the same file or not? Okay, like this. Okay, so carefully do it one by one slowly, then you will do correctly. Next one is security. So what in this security, I'll give permission, access permission, read access permission to student2. Okay, and other user cannot access. So look at here. Okay, so this is the file. I'm giving a permissions are like this. Okay, giving permissions are like this. Student2. Here it is. Student2. For student2, it is the permission for student2. So here it is, yellow, deny. Read, write. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'll give read allow, means student2 can able to read the document, this file, but write deny. Of course, you may get a doubt, sir, read is there, you allow the read only, it means automatically deny will apply. Yes, right. Listen carefully. Okay, you given a read permission, it means you are not given write permission. You given only read permission and you are not given write permission. You are not selected anything here. It is empty box. But here you are selected read and you are not denied it. Even though You are not given write permission, you are not allow write or deny write. On the student 2. On student 2, on file number file NN, you allow to read the file, but you are not given any permission to for a writing purpose. Either it is allow or a deny. But the student 2 may be able to write it. Okay, he may get a write permission from it. Okay, he may get a write permission. How? For example, is any group, there is a certain group, okay, some users group are like that. So there is a groups will be there, different type of groups are there, system, admin, users, like different groups are there. For that group, you have a read and write permissions are allowed. Okay, a group having read and write permission. Our student 2 is a member of that group. So here it is, it verify. Student 2 is having, is he having a write permission? No, not specified write permission. He has a read permission, but no write permission. Next, is a group 2 having a read permission? Yes. Having a read permission. Having a write permission? Yes. Member of this group can able to read and write. So who is a member of this group is a student 2. Automatically student 2 will get write permission. Even though you don't specify any permission for a write, but you will get a write permission. Same goes for read and write also. Same goes for read and write. So you didn't specify read and write permission. You didn't specify any read and write permission. Or you're not denied it also. Automatically, one way or other way, you will get the permission. That is the first. Okay. So if user you don't specify deny or you don't specify particular permission, automatically you will get the permission through the other way. Possibility is there. That is first. Second, for example, I specified write deny. I specified a write deny. Now, student 2 read is allowed means he can read the file. Write deny means he cannot able to write on the file. So that is given. Now, through the groups, student 2 is getting both. Student 2 is getting read permission, good. Here write permission is allowed, write permission is not allowed because it is denied. Then student to get a write deny only, write deny only. Why? Because of more secure. Deny overrides all allow permissions, either directly or indirectly, all permissions. Okay. Even though if you revert it, if you take a reverse order of this permission thing, so I will show you that one. So also reverse. For example, you have a group also there. Okay. So through group, read is allow, write is deny. Directly, you have a read is allow, write is deny. So this is a very nonsense. Directly you are given, okay, read is allow, write is allow individually, but through group you given a member of these groups can read the file, but write is denied. So what permission yes to will get it? Read is getting read. So both yellow, read is yellow here, read is yellow here. Yes, read is yellow. Next, write. Write is yellow here, but write is deny here. He'll allowed or denied?
Hello.
Denied. Okay, because always deny overrides yellow permission. Even though you allowed in one side, but denied in another side. So it is compulsory. Okay, so like that. So that is compulsory, deny is applied. So this is about your security. Guys, security does not mean virus, antivirus. The security represent yellow access or not. Okay, the security permissions means yellow or denied access to users or access to users, to computers, why we need yellow or deny access permissions like this. So here in this practical, what we are doing is, again I'm doing right click. I log in as a student one, guys. I log in as a student one. Look at NN properties, security. So already authenticated users is there. So automatically our student 2 is also authenticated user by default. System, administrator, users. So by default, because of these groups, you'll get a group related permissions also. That's why you have to specify denies. So what I am doing is edit, click on edit, add, type student 2 or leave it no problem, just advance. This time we will do advance, find now, find your username student 2, click OK, and student 2, and you can you select it, mainly select student 2 should be highlighted here. Then read is there, allow, write is deny, apply, OK. Again I will show you guys, and next time you will tell. Okay, otherwise now also no problem. First go to properties, make sure your file. Next one is security. Okay, you are giving permissions to student 2. So then student is not listed here, edit. Then add, advanced, find now. In this list, scroll down. So find it, student 2, find student 2. Click OK. Then it is automatically came here. OK. So it is student 2 is added here. Now click on it. So make it look like it is blue in background. Right? See? Next. Write to deny. Apply. OK. And OK. Close. So that is the practical. Next we have to verify by sign out and sign in. Guys, now tell me how to do it.
Properties.
Very good.
Security. Edit.
Add.
Add.
Advance.
Advanced.
Find now.
Now.
Find student 2. Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
They need to
Give
Right to deny.
permissions.
Okay, permission. So click on student 2, yellow write, deny, sorry, yellow read, deny write.
apply.
Apply. Now it is asking an error, just read it, what it is showing. So you are setting deny permission entry. Deny entries take a precedence over yellow entries. Okay, like that. So it is click OK, OK. Now again click it. See how beautiful it is. 2 check marks here, 1 check mark here. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
given a permission. You should verify. So your user is a owner, so he can able to access. But student 2, you given a permission. So then go to sign out from the current user and sign in with the other user. Okay, guys, is still anybody is pending with installation? Select student 2, sign in. I didn't give any password for a student 2, no problem. So let you go.
Sir, I'm pending with installation.
Then why? Any problem?
Today afternoon I tried doing, sir, but again I stopped due to disk partition. I completed disk partition and I just want you to ask and do. I was waiting for you.
Okay, I didn't get it, but okay, no problem. If you are facing any problem, means like installation errors, different type of errors are there. Okay, so if you got any issues, kind of stuff, okay, so you can contact
Yes.
me. Usually like 8:30, like that. I'm also available. Okay, but
Sir, my
sometime
laptop is
asking, like
not
Okay.
good
some people
working
are.
after installing VS. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay, sir. I'll
Yeah, tell
contact
me.
you and I'll do it in.
Sir, sir, my laptop is good, not good working, sir, after installing a virtual machine.
Okay, okay. Don't know that one, so after like check your RAM also.
Sir, my RAM to 8 GB. I purchased 2 GB for virtual machine.
That is correct, but I don't know, so we have to check it once. So like this, something error it came, but I didn't solve it. It is automatically solved.
Sir,
Okay,
sir, now I
so
connect in mobile, sir. I open the laptop, but not visual my screen.
like this. If you got some errors, okay, so you can contact me anytime. So usually like after 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, usually. Okay, I
Okay,
can
sir. I will
guidelines.
contact
I will give
you at
you.
9 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, okay, okay. So if it is showing any errors, but not for like a system slow kind of stuff, I don't know what to do also. But guys, look at here. If system is become a slow, so like I started a services now, it will consume more RAM. So you have to maintenance, close any background applications if you are not running. Okay. Next, check if you, because Windows 10 is a one big problem with the Windows 10 is it updates always. Okay, always update. Okay, so when it is updating, system becomes slow, and when it is pending for a restart, system become slow. Sometimes hardware related issues, sometimes different type of issues are there, but most of the things like background applications, viruses are possible. Okay, if you see, I'm not running this CC cleaner, but it is running in my system. Okay, so better close if you are not using that particular application currently. Second one is, yeah, actually, I want to tell this thing when I told about a service management. Okay, so actually I forget, then I switched here. Okay, see, this is the process management. Try to close if any process is consuming more services, mainly see VMware, Edge, and this one, this RDBMS is also consuming now. So we'll go to this. Okay, see it is. There's a tab, extra tab is running. So close this tab. So it will, if you are running more tabs, then better. See, my system is slow now. If you close the tabs, it will give you more better space. Okay, instead of running, some people put a lot of tabs open and they do nothing, just right. So better to close those kind of stuff, unnecessary background kind of stuff. Okay, you can do it. And unnecessary advertisements, internet kind of related things, better to close it. So it is showing mostly clear kind of stuff. Right click here. Right click here, news and interest. You can see news and interest. Turn off. Turn off. So it is gone. Turn off. Okay. Icons and text. Icons only. Turn off. Turn off. It is not required for your virtual machine or a physical machine. Okay. Unnecessary notifications. All kind of stuff. Next, startups. Look at these startups. I will show you the startups in my PC. Okay. Your system is good, like a 16 GB RAM, 32 GB RAM, or maybe 8 GB RAM. Okay, it's showing but processor RAM is fully consumption. Everything is very slow. There's a lot of points are there in that one also. Look at this, my startup. Okay. Because of I log in with a secondary user, so it is not showing the startup part. Okay. So look at my startup. Lot of applications are in the startup. Okay, just I wanted to put only one, that is initially I removed it and I put it, that is only Teams. Okay, see, these are all not required, but it is, see, these many applications is I'm not at all using when I start my computer, but these are all application automatically starts when my system is started. That is called as startups. That is called as startups. So if you don't want this particular kind of stuff, you don't want this application should start at the start time of system starts. You start a computer, this service also will start. This application automatically starts. You don't want it, disable it. So like it shows in a disable mode, sorry, enable mode, right click and disable it. So after restart, these services or application should not start automatically. Okay. Secondary one, if more services are running, be careful and look at it and remove the application from your PC. For example, you can see uTorrent is not required. So anyway, torrent sites are not properly working also. Okay, very rarely connecting. And there people are saying VPN, I don't know that is. That outside VPNs cannot be trusted. Okay, so very dangerous now. So if you don't want it, so just go through the file location or find out the uninstallation string. Okay, or go to okay, or go to normal uninstallation places and close it. Okay, so that is why you can recover your make your run system smoothly, optimize your system. Okay, you cannot increase your speed of your system without increasing hardware, right? But you can reduce the consumption. You can reduce the consumptions, extra consumptions like that. Is like a background task, background services. Okay, application, unnecessary application running in our PCs. Okay, so uninstall the unnecessary application in our PCs. So disable the startup services, certain required and not required services at the startups. Disable the services if it is not required. Okay, so like that, we can able to do it. So finally, so we have to see the output, right? So that's we should not forget. So what have we given is a read and write permissions, right? So on a F drive, NN folder file is there. So I'm giving. So I'm trying to open. So I can read the file. See, I can read the file content. So I want to add anything, so I can type it, so don't worry. Student2 can edit file. So now I added a text to the file. Okay, I added text to the file. Okay, now wait. Okay, add a text to the file. Now I'm trying to save it. It is, instead of saving, it is showing save as. And I want to save it. Okay, save. Now it is already existed. Yes, no problem. Yes. And it is throwing a error. Notepad. See, you do not have a permission to open this file. See the owner of the file or administrator to obtain the permissions. You don't have a permission to edit this file. Okay, you can read the file. You cannot have a permission to access. Guys, understand? Right to deny permission.
Yes, sir.
Very good. The last one again, I'm trying to save it. Okay, so it is asking a save as. So I'm trying to save as with a different name. So I changed my name here. Look at it. Save. It is saving the different name. So it cannot save in the main file. So in main file data is not saving. So this is NN. See how much slow it is. See, the data is not changing, but in a N11 data is changed. It is save as is working, but saving is not working. Okay, so you cannot change your original data file, but by save as it is working here. Okay, that is your right to deny. But read to deny, write to deny. If in case, if you give read to deny, write to deny. So I'm going back to my student one. Guys, always practicals are like that. We do in student one and we verify with the student two. Meaning is first user is an administrator. So we do settings in a first user and verify with the second user. The student one, we need a password. It is very slow. I think again it is updating in the background. Quota is also very smooth one. So how much slow it is. That's why we should not connect it to internet. Like that, last time one practical we done means in Windows 10 only without connecting to internet we done the practical, but after at a post installation gives lot of headache again. So anything is same only, so we feel like that we continue like that only. Guys, again, this one, I'm going to create a file. Okay. Some file nrww something I created. So if this much of slowness, so it irritates. This is nrww file student2 cannot read or write. Okay, so I want to give a permission like a student to deny read or and write. Read and write. Sorry, read or write. What is it? Read and write. Okay, I'm saving. Save it. Now, how to do it? Tell me. Go to properties. Properties. Security. Edit. Add. This time, what I'm doing is I'm typing student2 or student. Check names. It display it's student2. I put a full name student2. Check names. See, it is automatically detected. Okay, if you are giving a wrong name, then it will give you some error like it displays something. Okay. Okay. So now student2, I remove write, deny, read, deny, read and execute, deny. These three are deny permissions. Write is deny, read is deny, read and execute is also deny permission. Apply. Yes. Okay. Okay. So student2 cannot read the file also. So here in stuff, and nothing is there. It says sign out is only there. I am logging to student2 and verify can I able to read it or not. NTFS security permissions. It is open. And go to this. F. This is the file and try to read it. Just I double click on it. But it is showing you cannot read it also. You cannot read it also. Like you can able to give the permission. Read allow, write deny, read deny, write deny, like that. So NTFS security or ACL meaning is assigning access permissions. Assigning access permissions. It's also called as NTFS security. So when you hear a security, automatically mind goes for virus and antivirus also. ACL is also file access related one. Okay, so allow, deny, access permissions. Actually, it is allow, deny, read, write, kind of stuff. There. Okay, now it is a lot of time up. Monday we will see remaining thing. Okay, so I'm shutting down my PC.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, remaining things Monday maximum I will try to complete all the things. Sunday I will
same.
inform guys. Monday morning or Sunday, Sunday itself. Afternoon only, class is afternoon on Monday. But I will inform once if any changes is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.